Okay.
Good morning, students. The last two classes we have discussed PHP syllabus and introduction. Then yesterday class, second class, we have discussed what is that only PHP definition. We have discussed PHP definition and usage of PHP. Where that PHP can be used, we have discussed that one. Okay, that means that is the introduction part. Why we are using PHP, where the PHP can be used, that is the introduction part. We are completed the previous two classes. Okay, then coming to today class. Okay, so continuation. First, this is the total theory, and after theory we are discussed programming part. Okay, so every subject, either language or theory, whatever it is, compulsory first introduction, history, that subject will become how. So this is the every subject having these topics. So that's why. So after definition, subject definition, then usage of PHP after, then next advantages of PHP. Today class we are going to discuss advantages of PHP. So advantages means what? Advantages means what is that? So PHP used in some way, some business or some applications we are used to PHP. Why we are using this PHP? Some applications we are using PHP. So why we are using these PHP? So here PHP has some advantages. Compulsory PHP has some advantages. So what are that advantages? What are that advantages? So nowadays PHP or C language or C++ language, any languages are used many applications. So like PHP also used in many applications. So this is free of cost. Don't purchase this PHP. Yesterday we have discussed. So this is open source. So that's why PHP can be used anywhere. Any application PHP can be used. Easily you can use PHP. In code implementation, program implementation. Okay. And any applications. Applications means you know applications like computer applications are there. In first semester we are already discussed computer applications. That means where that computer can be used, computer applications. So here PHP can be used where, which places or which applications can be used, that is the PHP, that are the advantages of PHP. So that means many applications are there in that PHP. So what are that advantages of PHP? So first one is, what is that? Simple and easy. Simple and easy. What is that? Simple and easy is first advantage. Next one, database. Next one, fast. Next one, so like number of advantages are there. Maintains. Next, support. Next one is testing. So these are, for example, we are taken here important advantages we are discussed here. What are that advantages? 6 advantages are there in PHP. Okay, and one more advantage also you can take. What is that? Security. Security advantage. So here security is there. No security. This security is in disadvantage. Why? Because this is open source. So that's why we cannot add in that PHP. advantages. We can add in disadvantages, security. No security is there here. That is the disadvantage, security. But here we are discussed advantages. So what are that advantages here, girls? So coming to advantages. So first one, what is that? Simple and easy. Simple and easy. So in the name having the definition, simple and easy. So how PHP is simple and easy? So in programming implementation, you have to write the program code. So you have to write easy code. Easily the code will be there. And the program will be very simple. Just tags are there. You can write, you can use that tags, you can implement the program. So this is embedded HTML. So that's why here you have to use, what you have to use here, you have to use tags. So you read that tag definition and you can implement that program. Okay, so that's why simple and easy. So compared to other languages, this PHP program is very easy. So like C language is there, C++ language is there. So you can implement a C language program or C++ program. Okay, so in that, if you have write any program, first you have to take you can follow the program and you can write the program. How you can implement the program? You can follow the structure of the C++ program or C language program. So in the 10 sections are there, you can write them, you can follow the 10 sections. Okay, that means each and every section having some code. In that code you have to write the program. So compared to like C language and C++ language, this language code will be very easy and simple code. Okay, why this is easy? The program code will be write very easily compared to other languages. Okay, compared to other languages like C language, C++, Java. So these are the languages. So compared to these languages, the program implementation is very easy and very simple code is there. So that is the simple and easy. So that is the advantage of first one. So that's why the PHP is used many places. PHP is used many, not places, many applications. So here you have to write this definition. What you write that definition? The advantage of PHP. The advantage of PHP is simple. The advantage of PHP is simple and easy to learn. And easy to learn. To learn easy code. Learn and code. Okay? It is mainly organized code and clean. Mainly organized code. It is mainly organized code and clean. Okay, very simple sentences are there here. Very simple sentences are there here. Okay, then which helps the web developers, which helps new developers also. This code helps new developers also. Which helps new developers also. Why? Because this is very easy code. New developers also. Then, so like advantage. So first one is there. Then the PHP functions can easily learn and understood. the PHP functions easily learn and write. Easily learn and write. Easily learn and understood. Easily learn and understood. So this is the simple and easy. So in exam point of view also you have to write after advantages of PHP. First, so no textbooks are there only. So that's why I write a total definition here. Why PHP advantage? First one, simple and easy. So why PHP as simple and easy? So here these are the reasons, not reasons. So that's why this is very easy and simple. So here the advantage of PHP is simple and easy to learn and code. Okay, easy to learn and simple code is there. It made the organized code and clean code is there. Why? Because HTML tags are there, simple tags are there. So one or two programs, after completion of one or two programs, you understood clearly. Okay girls? So here, which helps new developers also. Why? Because, so anybody can develop PHP program. Okay, why? Because this code is very easy and simple. This is open source. You install that PHP and simple you can write that program. So that means new developers also develop that code. Easily develop that code and easily learn that code. Okay, the PHP functions easily learn and understood. So clearly understood that code and what is that? That code and try to program code, whatever it is, we can implement in that program easily understood. So this is the first one. First, what is that? First one is what is that? What is that and first one? Simple and easy is completed. Okay. So next, coming to next one. Okay, girls, you have to write that definition total. After advantage of PHP, you have to write this total. Then you have to write slide heading. Then after that, you have to write that advantage definition. Then coming to next one, what is that? And the database. Next one is, second one is what is that? Database. Second one, database. You know first database definition. Database definition you know. So first you understood the database definition. So in already 4th semester we have discussed DBMS subject. You know clearly database means it is a collection of logically related information. First here you have to write the definition, database definition. What is database? It is a collection of logically related, logically interrelated information. Logically interrelated information is called database. First you know the definition, database definition. So clearly we know the database definition. So for example, student database. Student database is best example. So here PHP database, this is also one advantage. How PHP database will be connected? So the PHP is connected to SQL. So the databases are created where and SQL. So in SQL software we are creating the databases. PHP is connected to SQL software, then executes database programs also. Very easily. So that is the database. Then it connects number of databases automatically connected and execute that database programs, a database code. So that is the advantage. That means this database also you can use, and database also you can develop here. Databases also you can develop here. PHP is easily connected with database and make the connections securely with database. Securely with databases. That means securely means don't disturb any unauthorized persons. So securely it connects with databases. So like you can log into database, you can enter the password and username. So like in SQL software, you can log into SQL, directly you don't open the SQL software. Okay, you can enter the username and password. So like here also PHP, whenever the PHP is connected to database, so securely the databases will be executed, the database applications will be executed. So that is the advantage, another advantage. That means here we are providing the security, the database can providing the security here. So that's why this is the second advantage of what is that? Database. PHP second advantage. So you have to write just a simple sentence here, database continuation here you have to write. PHP is, so this second one continuation here, you have to write second one. PHP is, so continuation, PHP is easily connected with the database and make the connection securely with databases. So this is the simple definition. You have to write the second one. What is that? Database. Okay, first you have to write the database definition. You know database definition. Then after that, why this database is advantage of PHP. So securely the databases can be connected and the database applications also executed securely. And here you have to write one more point. It executes, otherwise the database applications are executed securely. So here connection also securely and execution also securely. The PHP is easily connected with the database and make connection securely with the databases. Okay, the database application are executed securely. The database application also. Why? Because here one sentence is there, here you can add also. So the database applications also executed securely. The database applications also executed securely. Okay, so this is the database, second one. Clear, girls? So that's why the PHP has a database advantage. Okay, the next one, what is the next? Third one is what is that? Fast. Simple one, what is that? Third, fast. So you know clear definition. Fast means what is that? And here the program execution is here. What is that? Fast compared to other languages. Why? Because here simple codes are there here. So you can implement the program. You can implement the PHP program very easily and simple code is there in first advantage. Then the simple code is there here. Automatically the program will be executed Fast, very fast. Why? Because the program will be very simple. The code will be very simple. So that's why the program will be executed very fast. So that is the, what is that here? Third one is, what is that? Girls have to write the notes. So that's why I write the board. I am writing the board. So that's why. Okay. We don't have textbooks. Note down this one. So first advantage and second advantage continuation here. Okay. So you have to write that one. This is continuation and here. Again you don't write 2 here. Okay. Continuation. Okay. Then third one, what is that? Fast. So fast means it is a very fast. In the name having the definition. What is that? Very fast execution is there here. So very fast execution means program code will be very fast compared to other languages like C language and C++ language or Java language. This PHP code will be very fast. PHP code will be very fast compared to other languages. So PHP is known as the fastest programming language. PHP known as the fastest programming language. Fastest here, fastest programming language compared to other languages, as compared to another, as compared to another languages. PHP applications can be easily loaded over the internet, then execute very fastly. Okay, so this point you can write here. PHP known as the fastest programming language. Fastest programming language compared to another. Compared to another languages or another. So why? Because here languages is the programming language is there. So that's why as compared to another. So here, so compared to other languages, the programs are very easy here. Very fastly execution is there here. Okay. So that's point you have to write. The fast or speed of PHP provide the developer. So very fast here. Program developer also. Program implementation also very fast. So here the program development also very easy. Development is also very fast. Also very fast. So you have to write these simple words. Okay. So third one is completed. Then coming to fourth one. What is that, Andy? Maintains. So girls, you have to write these simple words, simple sentences you have to write. Then coming to fourth one, first one write and second one and third one also here is there, you have to write third one. Next to fourth one, what is that, Andy? Maintains. So here maintains is very important advantage. Why? Because so the PHP as maintains. So how you can maintain here? So here the code will be there, the programs are executed very fastly here. Okay, so you can maintain very easily. So PHP framework is mainly used to make the web applications development easier and maintain the code automatically. So how to write that point? Fourth one, what is that under here? PHP framework is mainly used to PHP framework is mainly used for where you can use web application development, easier and maintain the code automatically. Easier and maintain the code automatically. Maintain the code automatically. So that's why, so this is the, what is that? Maintains. PHP framework. What is frame and the frame means not only single program, it has number of modules are there. Program is one only, but it has modules. Modules means split that program. So that means frames, like the program will be split into frames. So PHP framework is mainly used for web development, web application development. So we are using the program, we are writing the program, compulsory we are developing the web applications. Yesterday class we are discussed. The main usage of PHP can be used to develop the web application. So web application development easier and maintain code automatically. So we can maintain that web application code very easily and automatically the code executed. So how that program can be executed, Andy? So first you can write the program same like a HTML code. First you can write the program, you can save the file .html in HTML program, like here php.php. Then you can open the Internet Explorer. You can click and double click on that particular file name. So automatically the output will be displayed. So that means very easily you can execute. Automatically the code will be generated here. The output will be generated here. So that means the maintains automatically, it maintains web application development is automatically maintains that code and automatically the output will be displayed. Okay, clear? PHP framework is mainly used for the framework, means the programs. The program, one program, simply you imagine that one program. The program will be split together, that is called a framework. So used for web applications development, easier and maintain the code automatically. Easier and maintain the code automatically. Okay, so that is the maintains. You have to read that simple point very clearly understood. Maintains. So simple one word here you understood. Web applications development easier and maintain the code automatically. That word is enough. So next one is support. So compulsory the PHP as support to application. Which application? Web application. So the PHP as applications. Which applications can be developed here? Web applications can be developed here. So that's why here what is that? Support. So it supports what is that? It supports all web applications. The PHP supports all type of web applications. So here fifth one, it supports all type of web applications. So this is one advantage. So we are using PHP program, we are using PHP language, we can develop the web applications. So here each and every application, web application, the PHP can support. So it supports all types of web applications. So types means what are that? Either you can print the program web application in images or audios or videos. So whatever it is, you can write the program, it automatically print that program automatically. So that is the supports. So then next one is what is that? Last one is what is that? And testing. So based on web applications can be tested easily. Based on web applications, it is tested very easily and quickly. So based on web applications the code will be tested and quickly executed. So this is the important point here. What is the testing means? Based web applications, the code will be tested and quickly executed. Okay, so these are the advantages. Girls, you have to write these all points in your notebook. So here fourth one is there, and here fifth one is there, and here sixth one is there. You have to write these points, main points, and I will send these notes again in our WhatsApp group. These are the main points I write within the board. Okay, today I will send these advantages in our WhatsApp group. If you read more about these advantages, you refer that advantages. Okay girls, I will send these advantages notes again. Okay, these notes is enough. If you read extra information for advantages, so I will send that notes in our WhatsApp group. You read that advantages again. If you have any doubt, you call me or you message me. Okay, thank you girls. Have a nice day.
Madam, 30